In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Trello, and we're going to achieve that in just under 5 minutes. Now, whether you're a seasoned Trello user or you're just getting started with managing different projects, knowing how to effectively manage your workspaces, including deleting them when they're no longer needed, is essential. So let's dive right in and break it down step by step. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Trello website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Trello URL into the address bar, which will bring you to the Trello homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Trello account. Select how you'd like to log in based on the options available. Trello provides a variety of login methods, such as using your email and password. Or you might choose to use single sign-on options like Google or Microsoft, depending on what you've previously set up. The key here is to ensure you're accessing the right Trello account that contains the workspace you wish to delete. After you've successfully logged in, you'll notice your account icon typically located near the upper right corner of the Trello interface. It's usually a photo or an avatar that you've uploaded to represent your account. Click on this icon to access a drop-down menu, then select the Settings option from there. This will guide you to the Settings section of your account, where you can manage various aspects of your Trello experience. Once you're in the settings, a scroll down through the options will bring you closer to your goal of deleting that unwanted workspace. Keep scrolling until you reach the bottom of the page. For users with free Trello accounts, it's important to note at this point that the option to delete a workspace will not be available outright if you're currently on a paid plan. In those instances, you'll first need to navigate to the Billing tab. Here, you would need to cancel any active subscription to free up your account from that workspace. Ensure everything is canceled and confirmed, allowing you to proceed with deleting the workspace. Once you're cleared on that front, head back to the Settings overview. You should now see the option to delete your workspace. Clicking this will prompt Trello to confirm your intention to delete, reminding you that this action is irreversible and that all data associated with that workspace will be lost. It's always good to double-check that this is what you truly want to do before proceeding. Once you're sure, go ahead and confirm. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a workspace in Trello. This process ensures your workspaces remain organized and clutter-free, allowing you to focus on the current projects that truly matter to you. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial, and I hope to see you in our next video where we'll explore more Trello tips and tricks.